everyone, welcome to M Avenue. If you're anything like me, you love having fabulous nails but don't always want to spend a fortune at the salon, well, today I've got you covered. I'm going to show you how to create these gorgeous gel X nails right at home. Easy peasy. Whether you're just starting out or you've tried your hand at nail art before, this step by step guide is perfect for you. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's have some fun making our nails look amazing together. But first, let's go ahead and remove this set that we have currently. So beautiful, but they have to go. Okay, you can already tell I have a little bit of growth here and I just need a fresh set. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And since Jello Jello is my new staple now in my collection, and because I have applied that prior to applying this beautiful nails, let's go ahead and take them off using the 1 Kill gel remover. Apply a generous amount. Make sure to apply some underneath the nails as well. And we're gonna wait. The longer the better. We're gonna give it about 8 to 10 minutes. Grab an orange stick and let's go ahead and try to tackle this. And we have removed them. That was quite easy. Okay, let's go ahead and apply a thin layer of the Jello Jello or whichever peel off gel that you have, or it doesn't have to be gel. It can be one of those like the ones that air dry, whichever you prefer. Okay, so this are called Una Gela, I think. It's the first time I'm ever trying this. This is from Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive, and I am going to try to find my sizes. And I'm just going and rocking it back and forth just to make sure it fits sidewall to sidewall. Perfect. Let's try to find the pinky. So we got the nails sized. Perfect. So now, obviously they're quite long, as you can see. They're quite long. I mean, it's from here, right? From here to here. That's extremely long. I mean, you can wear it like that if you want. But for me, I'm going to just cut them down a little bit. And but first, let's go ahead and glue them on, and then we're going to just cut them to the preferred size. Go ahead and grab your favorite glue. You can even use like one of those regular glues, nail glues, if you'd like. Not a problem. However, if you are using regular glue, okay, at this point, I have applied the Jello Jello peel off base. Now this does have a tacky layer, right? Like it's very sticky. It's got a sticky layer. So if you are to use your nail tips to glue them on with a regular glue, nail glue, then go ahead and wipe off this sticky layer, because if you're trying to apply with regular glue, it's not gonna stick. Okay, so do yourself a favor and just remove that and apply with regular glue. If you're using gel like I'm going to use it for today's set, I'm using this one from Tipex, then you're fine. You don't have to do anything because gel sticks to gel. All right, so let's go ahead and apply enough glue go ahead and just put it at an angle, and then just go downwards and just flash cure it. Of course, after I'm done, I'm gonna pop them in the big lamp and cure it for a full minute. That way I know my nails are not going anywhere until I'm ready to take them off, of course. Make sure I'm sidewall to sidewall. Perfect. All right. I cured them for 60 seconds, so now I kind of feel bad. I have to cut them, but I'm gonna have to. They're way too long. So I have this nail cutter, or however it's called, clipper, I don't know. Cut them. I usually like to cut them long, and then if I do decide I want them shorter, I can, oopsie, I can always go in and cut some more. But if you do the other way around, you cannot put them back, right? Ooh. Okay. I used to have a catcher behind this. I don't know where it is. So now the nails are flying all over the place. Ah. What are you gonna do? Okay, so I have 3. I gotta collect 2 more off the floor. Okay, so we're all buffed and shaped. Okay, so now what we are going to do, let me just clean up here a little bit. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of, well, let's just use this one from Young Nails. And we're just gonna clean up. Okay. Just go ahead and grab your base gel coat and do a thin layer of your base gel coat. There you go. This is just going to ensure whichever gel polish you're going to put on top is going to be nice and smooth. Okay, so for the gel color, if I can say that, I'm going to use this one from Gaoi. It's number 1353. In case you like it and you want to purchase it yourself, it's 1353 from Gaoi. Grab my little stand. And this is like a jelly. It's transparent, but I like the color a lot. Let's just do one thin layer, and then we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and we're gonna go with the second coat. Of course, it has to be a thin layer. Just like so. Alright, so don't forget to give the channel some love. Alright, give it a like, comment, and also please subscribe to my channel. I usually post once a week. I do fun nails, easy, beginner-friendly nails once a week on my channel, and maybe you can learn a thing or two, and especially learn a thing or two from my mistakes, because I've done plenty. So if you don't want to make mistakes when you start your nail journey, just keep on watching. And like I said, comment down below, what do you think about this color? Do you think it's a good color for all skin tones or not? Are you using this or not? Okay, so we're gonna do a third layer, okay, of this gel polish. Just grab your favorite nail art brush. I have this one from Beetles, and your favorite color, or well, you can use any color you would like, but just your favorite nail art gel color. Okay. Okay. The reason I picked this one up is because it's super long and you can just go straight without making any mistakes. Just like that. Since we have those straight, we're just gonna see how far we're gonna go. So let's say we're gonna go up to here. So now we're just gonna connect the lines basically from here to here. And the fun thing and the easy part is with gel, if you don't like what you have achieved, go ahead and wipe it and start again. So that's why I like using gel products, because I can always wipe it off if I don't like it and just start again. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this stickers. Let's grab this one. Okay. This one. Okay, let's use this stain resistant gel top. And unfortunately, my camera quit on me, so I wasn't able to do a proper outro, but here are the nails. I really love the way this set turned out. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.